Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to grant user access to your WordPress site. Your WordPress site can have multiple administrators, editors, authors, and contributors, so you don't have to manage your site on your own. It also keeps your account secure by giving you a way to allow others to edit or manage your site without using your login. But before choosing the appropriate role for users, ask yourself about these key points. Will you let users manage your WordPress dashboard? Do you trust them to organize your site's content? Should you review their posts before publishing? Are they capable enough to edit and publish others' users' posts? Now, let us walk you through how to grant user access to your WordPress site. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Access the admin dashboard of your WordPress site. Once you're in, hover your mouse to the user section on the left and select Add New on the options. Create a username for the new user and type in the email address of the user. You can view the password that was automatically generated and make sure to click the Send User Notification checkbox. Assign the role of your new user. So here is a breakdown of the permission for every user role in more detail. Be cautious when appointing another user as a new administrator. Once assigned, they get full access to your admin panel. They can even edit or delete your account. After you assign the role, click the Add New User button. You should see the new user added on the Users section. Since the notification is checked, this is the email that your user will receive. It contains a link to reset the password and a link to log into the WordPress admin dashboard. Once he clicks the Reset Password link, he'll be asked to create a new password for him, and he can now access your WordPress site dashboard. So that, ladies and gents, are the steps on how to grant user access to your WordPress site. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!